Navigation tools. Photoshop allows you to modify view of an image using the navigation tools. Let's learn about them. Hand tool. Hand tool allows you to scroll the image on the canvas. Holding down the spacebar key also helps to achieve the same result. By double-clicking the hand tool icon in the tools panel, the image will fit to the screen. It is useful when you are zoomed into the image while working with lasso tool for perfect selection. Rotate view tool. Rotate view tool has a keyboard shortcut R. It rotates the whole canvas with the image and not just the image. A compass appears in the center. As soon as you click on the rotate view tool, the mouse pointer changes into rotate view icon. You can click and drag to rotate the canvas clockwise or anti-clockwise. A red marker at the top of the compass points to the top of the image. Zoom tool. Zoom tool allows you to zoom into certain areas to get a closer view of the image. Choose View, Zoom in or View, then zoom out from the application bar. To use the keyboard shortcut, hold Ctrl and press plus to zoom in and minus to zoom out. Image menu. Image menu in the application bar has various options related to color, size, and view of an image. Following table describes the different options that you can use to change the look of your image. Option, Description, Mode. It allows you to change the color mode of an image. It provides various color modes such as grayscale, RGB, red, green, blue, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, lab color, duotone, bitmap, multi-channel and indexed. You can use CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black color mode for images in a full color print brochure and use RGB, red, green, blue color mode for images in web or email to reduce file size. Adjustments. It allows you to access various tools for changing the brightness, contrast, levels, exposure, vibrance, hue, saturation, and color balance of an image. Auto tone. It automatically adjusts the black point and white point in an image. Auto contrast. It adjusts image contrast automatically. Auto color. It adjusts the contrast and color of an image. Image size. It allows you to adjust the size of a photo of currently active layer on the canvas. Canvas size. It allows you to change the width and height of the whole working area according to your requirement. Rotate image. It allows you to rotate the whole canvas. Few rotation degrees are already provided like 180 degree, 90 degree, clockwise, or anti-clockwise, etc. Crop. It allows you to cut extra unwanted part of the image and focuses on the key areas. Trim. It removes empty solid colored area around your image. If the image has any transparent area, that can also be removed with this option. Reveal all. It expands the canvas as large as necessary to reveal full image when an image being moved beyond the canvas boundary. Duplicate. It allows you to create a duplicate copy of your current file or document. Apply image. It allows you to apply a blend mode to the layer. It opens a dialog box with source and target tabs. From the source tab, you can choose a layer on which blend modes will be applied. From the target tab, you can select different blend modes to apply. Calculate. It uses only a single grayscale channel. It creates a new channel or a black and white document or an active selection, but never a color file. Variables. It allows you to create templates that you can use to produce several versions of the same standard style automatically. Trap. It allows you to add few cushion pixels at the border of objects in your photos. This controls how much color will overlap when the objects intersect during printing.